Here's what it looks like right now. It's pretty cool. We're sitting at 51.8 volts. And we're gonna do two things. One, we're gonna do a top speed run, and then we're gonna take a look at the voltage as well. So let's go ahead and do that. So we got the speed here. Let's see if we can do this and hold everything at the same time. We're on pretty flat ground. So this is a slight uphill. Ah, it's pretty flat actually. All right, we're going 19. I like that. 20, 19, 20. Oh, we hit 20, woo! That was a pretty good run. Let's go back the other way. Sweet, 20. Can we hit 21? We did, 21, nice. Yeah, the other way was uphill a little bit. 21. Hey, that's not bad. 21 miles an hour, just with the adding an extra battery, pretty sweet. Okay, so now we're just gonna go and we're gonna see what kind of voltage droop we get. So just sitting around, we're at what, 51 volts? But if we gas it, went down to, did it go down to 41 there? I wasn't quite sure. Let's slow down and try it again. 42 volts. Get some pretty heavy voltage droop as we're dropping. And it kind of bumps up to 47 volts. So we're kind of cruising at 47 volts once we top out. Not bad. If you do this for more than maybe 5 or 10 minutes, you really heat up the motor. So we're gonna go straight home. We're gonna kind of see what the motor's like. So that motor is hot. And it's only 86 degrees out here. And I've been riding it for about 5-6 minutes, and it's wicked hot. It makes it so when you ride it for 5 minutes, and then you can't ride it anymore because you'll start to burn up the motor. And I've done that. I've made it so I've ridden it till the motor started smoking, and it started to smell really bad. And it smelled like that for a long time. It still works, but I feel like if I keep riding it, I'm just gonna burn up the motor. Let's see what the 1800 watt motor can change for us. So we're switching both the 1800 watt motor and we're gonna convert to a lithium ion battery as well. All right, see ya, bye.